So it's day 2 here in Scotland after a beautiful day in Glencoe yesterday, and today we're heading across to Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park. First we just got to go get some fuel and check our tyre pressure because we think we've messed up our tyres. So we'll just see how that goes and hopefully we'll make it across there nice and safely. But we'll see what happens when we get there. See you soon.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So we've made it here to the beautiful Loch Lomond and it is absolutely stunning, as you can see behind me. It's only about midday, so what we're doing right now is we're just letting the dog have a bit of a play around in the water, just throwing sticks and rocks in there, and so we can just go around and chase everything. So you can see him just over there, having the absolute time of his life. But it's an absolutely glorious day here in Scotland, so we're absolutely loving it right now. Yeah, these views, wow. Look at this view. Yeah, just due to the time of day that it is, with it being midday, I'm not going to probably get any shots here at the moment. So we're just going to enjoy it and just go with the flow, really. Hey everyone, so we're just on our way back from Loch Lomond back to our cottage, I should say. And we've basically just found this kind of what looks like an old glacier, where like an old glacier used to be. So I'll just show you this kind of view just over here. And hopefully you can see that. So I've got the camera set up over here. I'm using the long lens, the 70-200, just so I can pick out some details, mostly in the tops of the mountains, because we're getting some beautiful light shining on those mountains, and then also just of the entire vista itself. So I don't know how they're coming out, to be honest, because my screen's a bit backlit, so I have to wait until I get back and look at them on the computer, and if they turn out good, then I'll get those at the end of the video. So maybe today wasn't a bust photography wise after all. So fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. Alright, bye bye.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way, what can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get